Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Yahoo Mail app. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, in this video, I will show you on how to delete all mails from the sender in Yahoo Mail. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Yahoo Mail app. After you open up your Yahoo Mail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the particular Yahoo Mail that you want to delete. Mail from all the contacts. Like for instance, I'm going to use LinkedIn. So you can see LinkedIn right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on hold down. And this is going to pump up right here. What we want to do is to go ahead and click on delete all messages from this sender. So go ahead and click on that. Delete all messages from notification. So go ahead and click on delete all. Just like so, all the message has been successfully deleted. If you refresh your Yahoo Mail, so we still have more of it. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and click on hold down again. Click on delete all messages from this sender again, and then just like what you see right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on delete all. Successfully deleted. Delete other messages from this. Select all the messages from the address. So go ahead and tick on everything right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on delete all messages. So if you want to unsubscribe to them, go ahead and hit on unsubscribe. But as for me, I'm going to click on not now. Just need to delete all messages from them. So refresh your mail, and then we still have some of the LinkedIn mail right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on hold down and click on delete all messages from this sender again. Click on delete all. Another 87 messages was deleted. Then not now for the unsubscribe. So the more you scroll down, the more you see. So we still have more right here. Go ahead and click on hold down. Delete all messages from this sender. Click on delete all. It's that simple. So you can see all messages from LinkedIn here has been successfully deleted. For more useful tutorial about how to use your Yahoo Mail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.